Hey S People Tainer, this is Swati from S People Tainment, S People Meditation Mindset 101, which is going to happen on September 29th. I know you can see my eyes something different. I think I also feel the same. I have tried this for the first time. Oh my god, I look so weird. But that's okay. It's just a filter. I didn't, put any lens. It's just a funny, weird filter which I want to use it for today. So I have decided I'm going to use this costume or this dress as for my every video, because trust me guys, it's very tough to choose the dress to come or the costume to come in front of the camera. So I'm going to keep this as everyday's videos clothes. Okay, so and with my headband, okay, it doesn't gonna affect my hairstyle, whether it's messy, whether it's nice, whether it's straight, whether it's curly, it doesn't gonna affect. So this is my style from going forward for S People Tainment live every day in Instagram. So whoever is watching me, be with me for another 4 minutes. Okay, so what I'm going to talk today is, you might have seen the title, it's Eat, Pray and Love, correct? So we sometimes forgot eat for ourselves, pray for ourselves and love for ourselves. Okay, that is when this meditation tool comes as a big helper to help us, to remind us, first you have to love yourself. I see a lot of quotes, loving others, giving to others, do this to others, do that to others, but I always disagree with them. Unless until you don't love yourself, you'll not be able to love anybody else. Okay, so first learn to love ourselves. Okay, so that is when the meditation helps you to go deep inside. Okay, I watched this movie Eat, Pray and Love. It's amazing movie. I was wondering why I have not watched till now. Yesterday only I watched this movie. It's amazing. I learned a lot of things from this movie, and one thing which I am going to tell you, which I always practice every day of my life. Okay, so when I go or sit in the meditation, I always imagine, visualize. I won't use the word called imagine. I always visualize my heart. I visualize my lungs. I visualize my liver. I visualize my intestine, right? I visualize my bone. I think about my spine and I say thank you, So in that movie, there is a line, she's in Bali, Julia Roberts is in Bali, and he says that old father, the figure says, you have to smile from the liver. I always say thank you for all my body parts, all inside. I go deep inside and make myself happy, because imagine if your heart doesn't function properly, will you be able to talk? Will you be able to stay alive? If your liver not functioning properly, as I speak right now, everything in your body is working properly. But do we take it for granted every time? Right? Yes, we take it for granted every time. So close your eyes and look into your heart and say thank you. Close your eyes, think about your liver for functioning properly. Thank you for your kidney, thank you for your spine, which is there for you, functioning properly. Thanks your brain, rewiring it properly. Okay, so this is a body meditation which I have created in a Zoom keynote. I taught this to my students or the fellow meditators who come on Zoom keynote. I taught them this in the last Zoom keynote with the practice, right? So if you sit and practice this every single day, if you're not believer of a meditation, if you're not believer of any spirituality, you're an atheist. Do you believe you have a heart? Do you believe your kidney is working properly? Do you believe you have spine? Correct? You should believe because it is a proof, right? So start smiling from the heart, start smiling from the liver, start smiling from your bones, start smiling from your brain, right? And say thank you, to yourself. See the magic. If you do this every single day for next 21 days, see the magic. You will love yourself. If you love yourself, you will love this world. You cannot stop smiling. You cannot stop, you cannot, how do I say, you will live in a such a condition. You will love yourself. That is the best gift you can give it to you. Okay, so start ये eyes को क्या हुआ, it's a it's a funny thing, like it's a filter I have tried, don't worry about it. My eyes are normal. Okay, so I just matched with my coat, my dress today, so don't panic. Even I'm not panicking. Okay, so guys, back to the things which we are discussing. So please go inside yourself, don't look outside. If you have a problem, go inside yourself. You can see the wonderful world out there. You will love yourself and you will end up loving everybody around you, and that opens up a lot of opportunities for your financial growth, for your physical growth, for your relationship growth, right? It will open up endless abundance opportunities for you, whatever you look for. Okay, so start doing this, and please register for more amazing classes, exclusive classes like this for on September. Every month only once happens. So September 26th Saturday this month, register for this class and come and join hands with me. Let's create an amazing world inside of us so that it will reflect outside. Okay, so thank you so much for watching with me, and I will see you at another video tomorrow, or any topic I'm going to discuss. So be meditative, be vibrant, be beautiful, be joyful. Okay, don't be afraid, don't be confused. Just go inside yourself. Okay, talk to yourself. You will be okay, you will be all right. You are enough. Okay, so tada, bye bye. And if you like my lens, the magic lens which Instagram provided me, if you like it, should I keep it or I shouldn't do this? Comment. And if anybody needs meditation, recommend me to them. Okay, I want to touch 1,000 people, 1,000 lives before this December. I want to teach them how to be happy. I want to teach them how to be happy with themselves. Okay, so if you're not a meditator, but you can recommend me to anybody. Okay, tada, bye bye, and take care. Good night. Have a wonderful weekend.